first time here, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. Today I want to share with you guys this quick and easy dinner recipe that you can make for your family at home. I don't know about you guys, but I really don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen. I'd rather be spending that quality time with my family. So this has definitely been one of my go-to recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also stick around to the end so you can see how it all turned out. So right over here, I have a cup of rice soaking in a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. So you want to have this soaking in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes, just enough time to cut up all your vegetables and prep everything else that you need. I already cut up my peppers. I went with some green and red just because those were on sale this week. So I did also decide to throw in a half red onion. Now the recipe does not call for this, but I personally love onions, so you can switch things up and cook how you would like. I also have 3 pieces of grilled chicken that are already washed and trimmed of all of their fat. Now if you have a thicker piece of chicken, you can either pound it out just to make it thinner, or what I like to do is actually cut the thicker pieces of chicken in half, and now you're doubling the food that you purchased from the grocery store. So really it's up to you. I also forgot to mention that I do have my oven preheating at 400 degrees, and then you want to take a cookie sheet and some tin foil, and you're going to take 3 pieces of the tin foil to create the foil packets. Now this recipe does only make 3 serving sizes, so if you have a larger family, you can always double. Once you have your tin foil all laid out, now we want to start building our packets. We are going to divide the rice and water amongst the 3 different packets that we have. You want to make sure that you're adding the water as well as the rice, because this is definitely one of the errors that I made the first time making this recipe. The rice came out very, very hard, so you want to make sure that there is enough water that is going to cause the steam to really soften the rice. Then you're going to take your chicken that has already been seasoned with taco seasoning, and you're going to go through and place it on top of the rice. Then topping each piece of chicken off with a tablespoon of salsa, and then your cheese. You can go with mozzarella cheese, you can go with cheddar cheese, whatever you like. The last thing left to do is to add our peppers and onions, and then you're gonna also add some black beans. You wanna make sure that you're adding it to the sides and not on top of the chicken. Once you're finished packing up all your foils, now it is time to throw the cookie sheet into the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. What is your go-to recipe? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to connect with you guys there. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Before you head out, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.